So with our pages made, with our text on there, we now have to start adding the various other content that we need for our exam. So the various pictures, links, videos, all that kind of other stuff. So the first thing that it asks us for is to use the thumbnail PNG, which we can find in the images folder. That's this one here. So I'm going to open that up in Photoshop. It says that we need to set the width of 300 pixels and the height to 200 pixels. We must include it on the home page, and we need to make a link from the picture to go to the Ben's story page. So the first thing to do is to resize the image. So image size. At the moment you can see it's 600 by 400, so we will just change our width. It's going to keep it in proportion, so we don't need to change the height, and then we can just click OK. File, save for web and devices. It's already in the PNG format, but we just need to make sure that our file size goes below the 300 limit, which it does now. We've got 33.34K there, and then we can just save it over the top of the thumbnail picture and replace it as it's in its new size. So back to Dreamweaver, find the home page, and we're just going to insert that image. So insert image, find the thumbnail picture, it'll be in alphabetical order, so we can just scroll down, there it is. Make sure we put in our alternate text. And click OK. And we've got our picture in there now. So at the moment it's kind of in the middle of writing, we've got a big gap there, that doesn't look great. So we can drag it around to different parts of the page, but again we kind of get that quite big gap wherever we put it. So I'm going to go align and put the picture onto a line right, which means the text will wrap around it a bit. And then as I kind of drag it through the text, I'm just kind of find the best place for it to go. I think I'm going to put it there on the right hand side. And then lastly we've got to make it a link. We've got two ways we could do this. We could use our hotspots down here and draw around the area of the picture that we want to be the link, but for this one it doesn't say that we need to do that, so I'm just going to make the whole picture a link by typing in the name of the page down here. So Ben's story dot, use capital S, story.html, save that, and there we go, our page is linked up. Again, don't be afraid to test things out once you think you've completed them. So I'm going to open up my home page in Chrome, click on my Ben's story picture, and hopefully, there we go, it goes to the Ben's story page. That's all working. We can move on to the next.